I think the rate at which we go lower is really going to depend on the rate at which the Saudis and the Russians and other OPEC producers start pumping crude oil. We all know that come April 1, it's free for all. Everyone is going to raise output, and the extent to which they raise output and bring that oil into the market is what is going to determine the future of the price of oil. For now, we expect the Saudis to raise by about 500,000 barrels per day. The Russians will bring in another 300,000 barrels per day. Kuwait, UAE, Iraq, maybe another 400 to 500,000 barrels per day. If it stays at that level, we're expecting Brent to average at about 35 in Q2. But you could also see the Saudis, they have the capacity to bring in a lot more. So you could see them raise production by 750 to 1 million barrels per day, and that's only going to push prices lower.
And the hope here, you would think, from Russia and perhaps Saudi now is that once again they go back to that 2014 playbook and try to drown out, cut off the North American shale production. Is this gamble going to play out differently, though, given you have so many demand concerns now as a result of the coronavirus?
Yeah, it's a very strange time for them to unravel this agreement, right? I mean, demand destruction is immense. At Platts Analytics, we have cut our demand growth forecast down to 240,000 barrels per day for all of 2020, with with further downside risks that we see depending on how governments are able to control the spread of the virus. So it's a very odd time. It was a highly unexpected result at the OPEC meeting in Vienna. Whether the gamble is going to pay off, I think U.S. shale producers, yes, they're definitely going to feel the pinch of WTI being at $28 per barrel. They are going to feel that pinch because they've generally said that about $40 is when they're at a good level. We've already seen U.S. companies cutting capex for 2020. Their access to funding is going to be limited now, especially as banks are going more and more green. Access to oil company funding is going to get limited. So they will start to feel the pinch. But for now, in the near term, U.S. crude oil supply is not going anywhere.
Hi, I'm Emily Tan, and thanks for watching CNBC. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.